Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about the structure of an atom. We know that atom is the smallest part of an element, and it consists of positively charged nucleus which contains proton and neutron, and negatively charged electron which revolves around the nucleus. The number of protons present inside the nucleus is called atomic number. Every element has a specific atomic number. That is, every element has a specific number of protons. In neutral atom, the number of protons is exactly equal to the number of electrons. The sum of the number of proton and neutron found in the nucleus is called atomic mass. It is the atom of an helium. The two protons present inside the nucleus and the two neutrons also present inside the nucleus. These two electrons revolve around the nucleus in an orbit. So, the atomic number of helium is 2 because it contains 2 protons, and the atomic mass of helium is 4 because it contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons. It is the atom of oxygen. The nucleus of oxygen contains 8 protons and 8 neutrons. So, the atomic number of oxygen is 8. 8 electrons revolve around the nucleus in their orbit. First orbit contains 2 electrons. First orbit is also called K shell, and the maximum capacity of K shell is is 2 electrons. The second shell is L shell, and the maximum capacity of L shell carries 8 electrons. Oxygen carries in total 8 electrons, so 2 electrons goes into K shell, 2 electrons go into K shell, and the other 6 electrons filled in L shell. The atomic number of which is denoted by Z. The atomic number is the specific property of an element. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.